This one's a banded wood chipper, big 21-inch machine here. So obviously when it comes to wood chippers, you know, but think crushers, think screens, think anything that has an in-feed like this where there's danger of people being in that zone. Okay, so as I said to you, we've fitted here on this banded wood chipper, 21-inch wood chipper. I've got my handy helper Dave here. So we've set the camera up just at the top of the in-feed. Now, being a hand-fed chipper, the vertical panels there is where you're feeding the wood chipper. Obviously, you can't be everywhere, you can't see everyone on site. If you're a larger arbor company, you might have 50 crews out every single day. How do you monitor their safety? Well, we can show you exactly how you can jump into bed at night and know that your people are going to be safe, and if there is dangerous behaviour, how we capture that into the portal. So Dave, tell us how we set the zones.
Yeah, okay, so we've got the camera there. On a installation that's actually going out in the field, this is for demonstration purposes, we would actually mount the camera on the high side of the feeder and drill a hole in the top there to protect the camera. And so we've set these zones here. The zone on this camera is going to come out and around, basically cover that whole hopper area where the branches and etc. are going to be fed through. So as I approach this, we've got the grinders are spinning, and as I come in and lean forward, the camera spotted my limbs, probably about from the tip of my finger to my elbow, and it stopped those rollers from moving because it sensed the body part inside that zone where there shouldn't be. To get it moving, we come back out of that zone and it automatically starts spinning again, and you can get back to work. So that's the whole concept behind that.
So when it comes to looking at the versatility of Safety Shield, what you need to look at, this is obviously a wood chipper, but if you've got crushers, if you've got screens, if you've got any type of plant and equipment where you don't want people coming into a certain zone where they're high risk, we can set both one camera, 2 cameras, 3, 4 cameras, it doesn't matter how many. We'll come to your site and find the solution to ensure that your team get home safe every day. But more importantly, Dave, who's come in and feeding the chipper at the wrong spot, that video has now gone up to our safety portal. That event is now logged, and you get all the data to be able to see trends of behaviour, and that is what Safety Shield is all about. Don't be afraid when you first put it on that your number's going to be quite high. Don't be afraid by that. It's a baseline number that we need to establish to then be able to work your trends down. So when it comes to Safety Shield, obviously yes, the diggers, the loaders, the earth moving space, but everyone in the wood chipper space, everyone in the screening, the crushing, the quarrying, we can ensure that people stay where they should and stay where they're safe.
Chris, if I could just add, sorry.
Yes.
We just want to make it really clear, guys, it's not replacing the bumper bar. So we do not recommend that you take the bumper bars off when you install in the AI Safety Shield. It's just to assist and add more protection around your machines and your workers.
And to give you that data to make sure they're safe. So, thank you so much. Let's move on to the next one.